seen a need for a long time to make life simpler for the end users in the industry. For far too long, there's been really complicated workflows at the moment where you just couldn't afford the extra time. And we see GDTF and MVR as a gateway to unifying the industry, unifying the manufacturers in workflows that are really sharply tuned to make your life easier out there in the field.
We made the choice to support GDTF and MVR in order to have our fixtures behave the way we intend them to behave and to make it easier for programmers to understand, because we've got a lot of complex profiles in our fixtures and sometimes they can get lost in the console. So we wanted to do as much as we could to make it as easy a user experience as possible for the programmer.
Yeah, I mean, at the end, we think it's the future of the whole industry to have a standard which describes fixtures. Of course, it's very important not only for console manufacturers to control the fixtures, but also for the fixture manufacturers themselves. They can be sure that their fixtures are controlled as they intend. And of course, all the other platforms like visualizers, planning tools, CAD applications, yeah, they also prototype from that. So because it's one format, they can use all at the end.
It's just a seamless integration of all the devices and systems together, so that you don't have to support different formats for different lighting boards, different devices. Interoperability just goes, it just becomes such an important factor now that you don't have to spend any time communicating with other devices or lighting boards. So that's primarily why we are doing it, and I think we are having a lot of more success as we go along, as more manufacturers support GDTF and MVR.
I think the workflows will be much easier across different platforms. Different people have their weapon of choice as far as consoles and visualizers. So if manufacturers give them a basic tool set or a common tool set, I think it would make it easier for manufacturers, for console producers, for programmers, content creators to all work together. So I really think it's a good move in the right direction.
Well, I think finally we're all getting on the same page. And it's taken so long, things like DMX took a really long time to implement years ago. And so now we're seeing this major shift where we're able to do 3D between different platforms. And that's just a game changer for everybody. So I'm excited to see the unity in our industry and all backing one platform. And I think we should keep going for that.
Again, it's just great data that has everything we need to know to control a fixture. More and more fixtures, LEDs and things these days, where we've got things like our multi-emitter color picker on the console. We don't just need to know, is it an RGB, A, whatever it is, fixture. We need the color data as well. So the fact that a GDTF file has all that, it can be easily put into the console. We can read it, control. It gives the operator even better control of the fixture and ultimately a better show.
We're going to keep going with with GDTF and MVR again into the future, because there's a lot of mixed reality and other platforms that are starting to adopt GDTF, such as Unreal Engine and different virtual reality systems. And so it's a lot easier for us to incorporate our fixtures into these systems if there's a standardized way of doing so, such as GDTF.
We're already supporting GDTF import already, so you can take GDTF files off a share, load them onto all of our Magic Cube consoles. MVR at the moment, we're supporting MVR import, so at the moment we're bringing in just fixtures. In the future, we're looking to bring in more models for MVR files as well.
We literally implemented GDTF right in the GrandMA 3, so we can read GDTF, we can work with GDTF files and use them as the database for our fixture types as well. And of course, we are looking forward that all the fixture manufacturers build up their libraries so that we can implement them as well.
So we're also looking into how we can accommodate GLTF files along with the 3DS files inside the GDTF format. And just better usability for more and more for the users.
Because GDTF is going to move and it's going to progress and become a better and bigger platform.
Get on board and support it. We're very much behind it, particularly for the fixture manufacturers. It's a great way of us being able to get the best out of your fixture as well.
It will help to unify the industry at the end. Therefore, yeah, please go for it.
Like, just get out there and go, because this is literally the best thing that's happened to us in a really long time.